Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a E70, E90, E71, E60 Comfort Access key fob. Basically this key is pretty much the same for most of the E series, and if you've got Comfort Access, which basically allows you to open the door while having the key in your pocket of your car, you'll be able to replace the battery in this key fob because the theory behind it is your key is rarely in the slot of your car, so it doesn't actually recharge that often, so you might actually have to change the battery in your key. So basically the battery that goes in this model of key is the CR2032. I've just got an Energizer one here, and I'm going to replace my battery in my key, which I think is also an Energizer. So the first step is flip the key over, and you can press the button here which will release the physical key, like so, and you just slide that out. Then if you see here, there's actually like a little lip here, which you can actually just flip up, like so. And as easy as that, the battery will be removed from your key. And what you want to do is just make sure that all of these little contacts are nice and clean, and make sure they'll make contact with the replacement battery. So I'm just going to push mine in a tiny little bit there, just to make sure it's all good. Bend it up a little bit. Now I'm going to install the replacement battery. So the bottom of the battery goes down, like so, and it just sits in like that. Then what you do is you basically want to place the cover over the top, and it just clips back in like that. And you clip the physical key back in, and that's how you replace the battery. Now, if you have the Comfort Access key like this, you will need to unlock your car and insert this key fob into the key slot of your car. Start your engine, turn it off, then exit the vehicle, and you're going to want to lock and unlock your car using the physical buttons, and your key will be initialized to your vehicle. Thanks very much for watching my video. If you want to see more content for European vehicles or any other BMW videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.